I'm Eric Roth. I'm President and CEO of Capella Minerals. So we are a Canadian explorer and developer, and most of our projects today are in Canada and Scandinavia. And the focus primarily is gold and copper, but the copper projects also have significant zinc and cobalt and other metals associated with them. So quite a nice portfolio for a company of our size. So we have two gold joint ventures in Canada. So the projects are called Domain, and the second one is called Savant Lake. So those are managed by our joint venture partners, so we don't manage those on a day-to-day basis. The projects that we do manage 100%, the ones that we look after on a day-to-day basis, we have three copper projects in Norway, one of which is called Kjøli, the other one is Hessjogruva, third one is called Løkken. We have one project in Finland which is called Katajavaara, and we have a project in Sweden called Sandstorm Gold. So we have a very good mix and a very strong, foothold in Scandinavia. So basically, we are an explorer and developer. For us, the sweet spot, the niche in the business that we occupy really is identifying the quality exploration projects, making the discoveries, getting them through resource status, and then pushing them through the mining studies. In terms of milestones coming up, we have in the second half of this year, we'll have quite a bit of activity. If I look at the Norwegian assets, for example, we have one resource stage project, which is called Hessjogruva. Now that project we will continue to push forward, so we'll continue to explore it. We'll also push it forward through some of the mining or the initial mining studies with the goal of getting to a preliminary economic assessment or a scoping level study by the end of the year. The other two projects, Kjøli and Løkken, we will also be drilling later in the year, so we look forward to seeing those go forward as well. And on the Finnish side of things, we basically have just completed a high-resolution drone magnetic survey, the idea being to reduce a very large property, 200 square kilometers, and some very prospective terrain down to a more manageable size, with the idea of also drilling those next winter. So we have a good, very strong local team. So we have basically a handful of European geologists. We have some Norwegian geologists. We have a British geologist as well. I am also a geologist by trade. I am president and CEO, but I like to get my hands dirty too once in a while. But we have a very good, solid local team. And of course, as you know, having the local knowledge and having the local contacts, that's very, very important with taking projects forward. So we do like to make sure that our teams are as local as you can possibly make them. This is a great growth opportunity. I know you hear that a lot from different companies, but I think we do have a very solid portfolio, a nice mix of gold and copper, good jurisdictions. I mean, we've got Canada, we've got Norway, Finland, and Sweden. So we've got a great mix of jurisdictions, great mix of commodities. Copper and cobalt, right time to be involved in those businesses. So I think we've got just a great portfolio overall and a really solid team. And the second thing is, one thing is it's important to have good projects. The second thing is to have a team that's done it before. We've had lots of success over the years. Previously, we were with a company called Mariana Resources, which had the Hod Maden discovery in Turkey. Before then, I was with a company called Extorre Gold Mines, which had a gold-silver discovery in Argentina. So from an investor standpoint, it's important to have good projects, but it's also important to have good management, people who have done it before. And that's what we can offer as Capella. Oh, it's been great. It's been nice to, well, first of all, it's nice. This is our first opportunity to see people in person since it's been a couple of years now. And the turnout's been fantastic. It's been a really good turnout. So it's been very impressive. So really great to be here.